Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my backyard tour. Round 404 million. Here's the trampoline in 2021. Here's my practice field 2020. Here's my open practice field. Bam. Don't ask me why it's super dark. Because it's haze out tonight. Yeah, guys, it's gonna storm. We gotta hurry up. Bia! Oh, God! God! Here's the football corridor. Football corridor! 12,000 yards. Here is the lacrosse path. My dad comes through here and mows it with the 2021 Cub Cadet or the 2021 Husqvarna. Here is the lacrosse goal and rebounder. I just broke the rebounder down, put it away, because that's what I do at night. That's just what I do. That's just what I do. What I did! What I did! What I did! So yeah. Where's that, guys? Here's the hot tub and dock box. Yes, guys, it is very cold tonight. There's the hot tub and dock box. There's the spare room. Here's the facility. Guys, as you come into the facility, we have extra team space right here. We have Ohio State coming up this week. So yeah, so we have the we're a college team now. We're Mooresville High School. So yes. Here's our locker room right here. See, guys? Here's my dad's tractor in the Mooresville field house. Yes, guys, I'm playing running back this year for Mooresville High School. For varsity. Actually, no. I'm playing running back this year for varsity football. I'm a varsity running back. That means I'm not wearing no visor this year. Sorry, guys, I can't wear a visor because I'm banned. I'm banned from wearing visors on the field. Because I can't wear a dark one or a clear. So I'm going with that one this year. And the year after that. So yes. I'm no longer allowed to wear a visor. Here is the stadium? No, not anymore. No, okay. This is our game field in 2021, upcoming season. We're doing pre-game right now, so yes. We're just doing preseason practices and stuff. So yes. Just our practices. It's only practice. Until games. Until preseason. Here's the Kubota Fun Zone. Here's the bridge, guys. The bridge! There's the tree. There's the choice. There's that, guys. It's gonna snow, I guarantee you. Friday's supposed to rain, we're gonna get snow. 100%. Don't care about the other people. Here's the shed, guys. Yes, guys, I have no school at all tomorrow. I'm off Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, yes. Wednesday and Thursday, I'm off. There's where the Cub Cadets go. There's the bank, guys. Yes, guys, I'm fighting Conor McGregor and Dylan Dennis. So, yes, coming for you, McGregor and Dylan Dennis. There it is.